So start the car for the time being, just get some aircon going. So we turn the engine on. And we don't boil then, do we? So just so everyone knows, 1 in 3 people will get asked to do the emergency stop on the driving test. It's not a guarantee you're going to get it, but if they ask you to do one, they're going to pull you over first and they're going to say to you, just like you've been practicing with your instructor, and they'll say drive off like normal, and they'll check to make sure it's safe, and then they'll say stop. At that point, that's when you do the emergency stop. And what are you going to do first?
Brake.
Followed by?
Clutch.
And then once you stop the car, what's next? Secure the car, isn't it? Yeah. Handbrake neutral.
Yeah.
And then what you're going to do off the examiner then is off you go when you're ready. So what they mean is into gear, have a good look round, make sure it's safe. If it's not safe, don't move off.
Okay.
Happy with that?
Yeah.
So when you're ready, we're on a bit of a hill start here, so drive off when you're ready. That's nice, well done. Nice little hill start. And then carry on, a bit more power, build it up. If you're going a bit slow, they're going to say to you, go a bit quicker.
Is it 30 here?
It's a 30 road, yeah. Stop!
Oh my god!
What?
Was that
Secure the car. Neutral.
Oh.
Ah, see, handbrake, neutral, secure the car.
I can just
Put it in neutral, there you go.
Oh
Okay. So, the last bit of the braking was really good, wasn't it? The first bit was a bit soft.
Yeah.
Alright. So you got to go on the brake a bit firmer.
Was it really hard? Even.
Yeah, go on it a lot harder than that.
But even so it goes like that.
Well, brace yourself, don't you?
Okay.
Otherwise, you're going to go a little further forward than you need to. So it's a nice stop at the end. This is a bit softer than the first second or so.
Okay.
So you've got to go quicker on that brake than what you want to. And then when you're securing the car, handbrake neutral. Don't go handbrake, and as you're going neutral, your foot came off.
Yeah, I know.
So restart the car. We'll do it again.
I panicked.
On the test, you only get 1 go.
Oh.
Look round, take your time. We're going to move off when you're ready. That's it. Build the speed up. Build it up. That's it. Well done. Keep going. Stop.
Oh my god.
What's next? Excellent. Well done. That was good. Nice braking.
It was scary. It was so scary.
What was scary about it?
I don't know. I felt like it was too hard.
Now, we're going to move off now because we're in the middle of the lane, aren't we? So remember, safely move off. If it's not safe, don't go. That's it.
And there's no one around.
So that's it. Just make sure and carry on. That's all you got to do. Just a good look around, make sure it's safe. Okay? And we'll go left at the end and then we'll pull over. So we'll pull over on the left, just past this bit of a concrete bit here. On the left here.
Should have indicated, right?
Well, anyone around?
No.
So that was all right. Don't need to indicate if no one's around.
Okay.
So you were saying that was a bit scary then. What happened? What were you thinking when you broke out?
I don't know, it feels scary.
Scary? Well, it will feel scary because you're suddenly braking quick, aren't you?
Yeah.
It's a little bit frightening. But that's pretty good. The most common things people do when they're on the test that are wrong, which is stall, which is what you did then, which is come off the clutch before you're in neutral, or they'll stall when they're moving off because they're not thinking about putting the power on. Or another one is they'll drive off without looking and they'll get serious because someone's going past them at a point, because when you stop, you're in the middle of the lane. So if you've enjoyed Holly doing a quick and emergency stop, give it the thumbs up. If you want to see more videos from Holly, just put a comment below, give her words of encouragement. This is the first video, isn't it? And we'll see you next time. Take care, everyone. Safe driving.